just bad. And guess what? I am back. I have purchased, you remember in my if y'all was watching my previous videos, I told you I was interested in getting me a new couch. But this is not any couch. This is the viral quilted YouTube couch. If you look it up, this is the viral quilted couch. It's the Boneless. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna set it up and y'all gonna get my real opinion on this couch. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start doing the boxes. Okay, I'm getting ready to open up the box. Okay, family, see, it shows you how to set it up. It also have the instructions outside of the box, okay? So we finna get ready to put this box up. All right. It's already. It's heavy. It's very heavy, as you can see. Okay? So that's one box. After I got it done, it also came with this, so I guess you could safely open it. So I'm going to move these boxes because the couches probably go right in this area. So as you can see, family, you got to unravel. It's a lot of unraveling to do. Okay.
There you go. Get that one.
This is high. This is real. Look how big it is, y'all. Woo! So look how high, and this is still not done. It says it takes 24 to 72 hours for it to fully to get to where it needs to be. So is this one? Oh, this is two. Look at that, y'all. It's two. So, but this is, oh, it is soft. It's very soft, like they said. Oh, wow. Okay, let me get the other one. Oh, it's so soft. This thing is really soft. It's exactly like what they said. Look at that, y'all. Okay, this looks like the couch. I'm gonna put a picture up. I'm gonna insert a picture in this video how it's supposed to look. But here it is. Oh, these the pillows. So it have to inflate. It's really it's flat right now. See? So they said it have to inflate. So these are the pillows. Okay, Wait, how many pillows? Oh, we got more pillows. It's 1, 2, 3. It's 4 pillows. Okay. And this is the boneless. Okay, fam, so this is what we came up with. Just know that the pillows it takes 24 hours for the pillows to really get to where it needs to be. Okay, because right now it's flat. This is a true opinion. These are flat, they have to inflate. But I'm going to sit on the couch, and because it's not fully inflated, it goes like up like that. Okay. And I will make sure I put the picture up where I got it from and everything. But this is the boneless corduroy couch. I am very pleased. It's very soft. The area, I think it does it justice. Okay, it just have to inflate. So I'm gonna give it time to do that, and then I'll come back. But I'm gonna sit on it right now, so you could just see how it looks. And don't forget, I'm 5'4". I'm 5'4". Okay, so it's not fully inflated. Whoa, this is soft. Wait, let me take my shoes off. And wait till the pillow really fills up. And yeah, this is comfortable. Yeah, and it's like sturdy. It's sturdy. Very, very sturdy. Okay? So this is Just Bev review. Are you getting me? This is Just Bev's review on the quilted corduroy couch. I will come back once it's fully, got to where it needs to be. Okay? Bye-bye. This is the review of the boneless corduroy couch. I was very much interested in it. It's the viral Amazon couch with no bone. That means there's no wood or anything in it. Okay, so you seen when I opened up the box, this is a couple of days later. It takes 24 to 72 hours for it to open. So it's already been set on. It's already been set on and everything up in here. It's very comfortable. It's very sturdy. Let's look at it right here. It's very like sturdy. The pillows was flat and it's very comfortable. Okay, the only thing is I'm going to tear these tags off because I just want to see how it's going to be. It's a comfortable couch just so you can relax and watch TV. It's not nothing, no showroom or anything. It's something comfortable so we're able to sit, enjoy the fireplace, watch TV. I'm still getting things together up in here as you can see. But I already have a rug down, so I'm gonna get everything all tied in together. But this couch is wonderful. The only thing that I would like to inform you of, when you sit on this couch, the fabric or the material of this couch will get on your clothes, so you might have to vacuum it, so that way you won't get the fabric onto your clothes. Okay. And if you eat, the food could get in the corners of the couch. Now, I will suggest if you have back problems, you can't get up, knee problems, you can't get up, I don't feel like this is the couch for you. This is good for a tall person, and I'm 5'4". But if you have problems getting up and you're not able to get up from the couch, I don't think this will be it. This has no legs on it. Okay? No legs. on the bottom, if you can see. There's no legs, okay? So it's very comfortable. Let me see. Look at that. It's sturdy. It's very sturdy. Like, it's soft but sturdy. It's very, very sturdy. So for me, this was a good buy. I will once again put the things up. Uh, I enjoyed it, and I'm going to sit on it just so you can see, okay? All right, so this is the couch. This is me getting on the couch. It's very comfortable. It's just doable. The pillows are good. Let me see, because sometimes it could get I wore white because sometimes, I noticed it was getting on the shirt. So it's very comfortable. I mean, I like it. You can see me on it. And you could comfortably lay back on it. And you know, let me see. I mean, and see, this right here is very sturdy. So you're able, and I'm going to sit back. Here go the pillow. Sit back. Let me. But you can just sit back and watch TV, be curled up. You could be curled up. So I feel like this was a good buy. Remember family, this furniture does not have no legs on it. It's boneless. Like I said, boneless means there's no wood or anything in it. So when it come, it comes compressed, and you will have to open it up like you seen in the beginning, okay? But is this a must buy? Yes. If you prefer to have legs or a little bit higher, you should do so. Okay. I like it. It's comfortable. I just want something just really comfortable. You can sit, watch TV, and enjoy yourself. Okay. Just to feel comfortable, and this fits the needs and it fits the price. Okay. For me, this was a good buy. Okay. So I just want to come on here, give you my review. I hope this will help somebody. I think this is really cute. The kids will love it because it's easy to get on, get off. You don't got to worry about nobody hurting themselves. But if you have problems in getting up in your knees, or you need something a little bit more supportive of your back, I mean, this does great. But if you that person that have trouble like getting up and you gotta rock to get up, then I don't think this will be for you. You might need a little bit more height. But otherwise, if this is perfect for a nice price, and it looks very nice, comfortable, very comfortable, as most of the reviews said, I just want to give you my honest opinion, okay? All right. Until the next video, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like the reviews. I also want to say, you could also clean it. It has a zipper. Where's the zipper? And you can wash it. You can also wash it, and I like that factor too. Okay, and as you can see, it's very fluffy. This is me. This is the pillow. It's very big. I like it. So, Okay, this is my review on it. I was interested in it because, I'm always on YouTube, and I seen it, and I was very interested in purchasing this couch. I've been wanting to purchase this couch. It was very up my price lane for me to get it. And I just want to see what it was about. I'm not bad in my purchase, but I just want to let y'all know, if you don't like anything too low because it don't have the legs or anything to it, this is not the couch for you. They do have corduroy couches. They do have the bone, and they have a better height and more plush, but we're in the thousands with that. Three something, because I went and I checked it out. That would be on my video too. It's very beautiful because it's really big, but you know, it wasn't what I was really going for. I wanted to check this out. It's something different that I ever have. I mean, I never purchased before. You understand? So yeah, this is just my review on there. I hope y'all like it. I'm just giving my honest opinion on it. You know, I don't know. It's sectional, so you got to put it together and everything. I don't know what the future may hold for it, but for right now, I do like it. I like the price, you know, because you pay for what you get. Don't forget that you pay for what you get. This was because I did look it up. Once you look it up on Amazon, I'm gonna put the thing up. But I did get it off of Amazon. For the one that I got was $4.99, but after taxes and stuff, it went up to 5 because you got everything else intacked onto it. I'm not mad about the purchase at all. I'm very happy. It looks really pretty and elegant. So I'm really pleased by how it came out, how it feels, how comfortable it is. Because I won't, like, when you have a home, you want your home to be comfortable. You work all day, you know, you're dealing with the kids. I mean, you just, I don't know. I think the older I'm getting, I just want to be comfortable. So and it's comfortable, but it's stylish, it's stylish, may I say, and it's also up to date at the same time. Okay. So I appreciate this couch and everything. So once I get everything together and stuff, I will show you, you know, everything put together. But this is just my review. I hope you could take what you need and leave what you don't from this video. Okay. But I just want to say, like I always say, until the next time, family. Bye. I hope y'all like this review. Bye.